Guangzhou Grandview Material Limited is a professional supplier established in 2011 engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of acrylic sheet, acrylic aquarium, light guide panel, diffuser sheet, ABS sheet, glitter acrylic, and acrylic mirror. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access. Warmly welcome to visit our factory, dedicated to strict quality control, thoughtful customer service, and cost control. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment. In addition, we have obtained CE, SGS certificates. We have been the golden supplier on Alibaba.com for 8 years, selling well in all cities and provinces of China. Our products are also exported to many countries and regions as North America, Europe, Middle East, South Asia, and Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Welcome to visit our showroom near Canton Fair Pajot Complex. The payment term is 30% deposit, 70% balance after inspection before shipping. We accept LC payment terms. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Please click to send an inquiry and talk with us on Trade Manager. We will send our price list and product details to you quickly and accurately. Let us have a win-win and long-term stable cooperation.